Okay, folks, this is part 3, and this is going to tell you how to save some money on front end work, alignments, and things like that that pertain to the front end on your truck or your car. Now, I'm going to tell you how I did it. I'm not going to say this is the way it works with everybody everywhere. So, all right. So, number 1, now there's part 2 I've already posted on YouTube. This is going to actually be part 3 on how to do it. All right. So, part 1, we talked about the coupons. I'm seeing a lot of these different places, I guess family-owned repair shops and dealerships get you in there for a really low price on a front-end alignment, okay? Now, you'll also look and see there's going to be some fine print that says possible additional cost for shop supplies. Ask before you sign the dotted line. What are those costs? I had about $1.57, and they told me that's just for miscellaneous things like shop rags, air for the lift, or something like that. Hey, I can live with a couple of bucks, but it does add up, so beware. It could be 20 bucks somewhere else. Okay, number 2, and this is a very important tip. If your tires are wearing quickly, get you a front end alignment and have them check this for slack in this front end. This car here's got a lot of miles on it. I hope I get a lot of miles more out of it. But with that being said, if you're getting your tires rotated and they're still wearing quickly, chances are you got a front end issue. There's a lot of moving parts, especially in these front wheel drive cars, which most of them are front wheel drive today. I mean, these front parts are constantly moving on the road with bumps, potholes, etc. So, an alignment is a lot cheaper than buying tires. So do that. Okay, number 3. What did this cost me, and what do I think it would have cost had I not went my route? I'm guessing I'd have spent between $1,100 and $1,500 on all the front end parts, alignment, and installation. But the way I did it, I got my mechanic friend who works from home. It's got a lift, lifted it up, said, hey, you need all these things here. It was a whole kit for both left and side of the wheel, okay? Ordered that whole kit for around $200, maybe a little bit less, give or take, all right? So got that done. $200 for the parts. The labor was $200. And then it was the discount on my alignment at the Toyota place. Total was $57. So you're looking at around $457 versus possibly a $1,400 or $1,500 repair job. That's how I did it, okay? So, maintenance is the key. Get those front end aligned, folks. If your front end's not aligned, you're gonna just keep going through tires. I hope that's a good pointer for you. If you like what you've seen today and you haven't seen my videos before, hit the like button and please subscribe. I don't have subscribers, I have friends. We're all in this together. If you've got a money saving idea, please share it. Thank you again.